Hey folks, it's Wade the Shoe Dog. Now, this is a video that I really didn't want to make because it's not good news. No, don't worry about me. I'm fine. We're gonna keep doing what we're doing here. But once in a while, I work with somebody and they trying to help them make shoes, and I come across a difficult situation, and I want to try to use this as an opportunity to help you so that you don't find yourself into a difficult situation like this case here. So if you're watching this video, you're pretty familiar with what Shoemakers Academy is and what we do. You might not know that beyond the teaching and the books and the courses and the shoe materials and all that good stuff, beyond that, we do help people source, right? We have a safe sourcing project that we do. If you have questions about what that means, go ahead and you can book an appointment with me. Come to the down here at the bottom of the website here, and it says book a chat with the shoe dog down here. You can check that, or there's a lot of places inside the website where you can book a chat with me, because this is part of our consulting and coaching services that we offer. When I say we, I mean me, to help you with your issues, right? So, um, we do lots of different consulting and training and all that other stuff. But one of the things that we do is we help introduce people when they're ready to the factory that's right for what kind of shoe you're working on. Okay, that's better. What kind of shoe you're working on. So, in the course of this, um, it happens once in a while that someone calls us with a problem, right? And so a company reached out to me. The production manager said, "Hey Wade, I can't sleep at night." And I'm, well, why is that? Well, I can't sleep at night because I found a factory in Alibaba, and we made some samples, and I ordered a bunch of shoes, and I don't know if they're any good or not. And I'm like, oh boy. So there's lots of ways to protect yourself. Number one is work with a reputable operation. Don't just go to Alibaba, because you just don't know who's on the other end of the phone. I'm going to show you in particularly, you just don't know where your shoes are going to go, right? So that's kind of why on our channel I show videos of the people we work with overseas, and you can see what inside of the factories look like. So this is the real people doing the real deal, right? And what I'm going to show you here again is what happens if you don't do that. So here's a couple of videos. Now I'm gonna say these are spy videos. They were taken surreptitiously. Is that the word I'm looking for? By an associate of mine who went to look at a factory. So I want to show you this so this doesn't happen to you. Okay, so here we're in the outside of a factory, and you see this kind of situation. Now, of course, if it gets picked up and cleaned up, fine. But looking at this facility, not so good so far. Not so good. Okay, so just first things first. All right, we'll drag that out of there. Next one. We are okay. Okay. What is the situation here we're showing here? What we're showing here is a client who is in the middle of production, came to us. We didn't pick this factory. They had somebody on Alibaba. They had one order that was okay, and the next order was not good. And they asked me if I could find someone to go look at their factory with them. I found someone to go, right? So now they arrive, and they find out that the assembly factory is this small assembly, nothing spectacular, but the stitching is done somewhere else. And you're like, okay, so let's find out what somewhere else looks like. So here's somewhere else. I think this one starts kind of, the camera's upside down because my friend is just sort of holding it down by his side. And don't worry, it's going to get a little bit better pretty quickly. Okay, so here we are. Bags of stuff on the floor. But this is not a factory. Okay, this is not a factory. This is I promise you, it does turn around, but this is not an actual factory. Um, turn Oh, here we go. So, yeah, there's sewing machines. You see the stuff on the floor, it's dirty. This is not what you've seen. I've shown you what a real factory looks like, right? This is not that, okay? You've seen, if you watch the videos, Genova and some of the other factories where I introduce some friends and you see the factory, that's not what this is, okay? So this is not a factory if you saw it you would ever put your stuff into, right? So let's keep going here. So see, everything's on the floor, right? Bags and piles and a bunch of debris, and actually when you look at this you say, wait a minute, those are Doc Marten boots. Yeah. So that's actually a really big danger sign. Factory, you see that they're making unauthorized merchandise. That's bad. You don't want that. So looking at this place, the equipment is grimy. You know. Okay. You know. Stuff. I mean, this is a real machine. You would find it's not a bad machine, but the maintenance of it is actually, I think the best part's coming. Yeah, the guy's smoking a cigarette. Awesome. I want that on my shoe. Love it. Hey, smoke if you want it, but not when you're working on my shoe. Cool dude. I like that. Okay, let's take one more look here. This is just a few seconds, and yeah, what are we looking at here? Just yeah. I don't know. Do I need to say anything? Now this might be what you think a shoe factory in China looks like. You know, that might be what your idea what they look like. But I think if you're watching this video and you've seen enough of my content that you know that this is not actually what a real shoe factory looks like. This is a crap hole. So just you know, you can you can source your product safely in China. Hey, I mean, hey, it doesn't matter what country you're sourcing in. If you're not looking at it or have someone that you trust go to look at it, you could have your product end up in a place like this. So, anyways, what I'm trying to say is, do not go to Alibaba to find a factory. You know, find somebody in the business, find a friend of a friend. Hey, I am your friend in the business. If I can't help you, I will introduce you to a reputable person that can help you. I just really don't want your product to end up in a terrible factory like this. So that's it. Like I said, this video I never want to make, but you know, you can take care of yourself and you can take care of your business, and I don't want you to set your money on fire by getting into a bad situation and taking risk. You don't have to. If you do it properly with the right people on your side, you can do it safely, and you can make high quality products and succeed and be wealthy and all that great stuff. So just this is what can happen if you don't do it correctly. So hey, anyways, check out Shoemaker. If you haven't been to Shoemakers Academy, this is what we do. We actually, you know, we'll teach you to do it the right way so that you don't end up in a situation like this. So, hey, thanks a lot, folks. And we'll catch you on the next video. Oh, like and subscribe.